So while everyone is still hating the new update of Pokemon Go, I am here to tell you some improved things that I have felt in this update, and that are just great for those people who didn't have some unique Pokemon nearby their area. So I'm going to show you the Pokemon that were there before the update and the Pokemon that are available in my area after the update. That is for iOS 1.1.0, 1.1.0. Pokemon that I usually saw around my house, and this is the Pokemon that I am actually seeing right now after the update. This is a coughing, this is a Vulpix, and that is an Eevee that I got yesterday after the update. And this is what I saw before this update. That is a Pidgey, Rattatas, and Spearows. Update. The official statement by the Pokemon Go was as this, that you can see below the screen. Trainers, as many of you know, we recently made some changes to Pokemon Go. We have removed the 3-step display in order to improve upon the underlying design. The original features, although enjoyed by many, was only confusing and did not meet our underlying product goals. We will keep you posted as we strive to improve this feature. So basically they have removed the 3 steps glitch that all the Pokemons that were shown below, that were shown in the nearby area, had 3 steps in them. So now after the update we are not able to see any steps. So that's actually good, because the 3 steps was not actually working. So they got rid of it, and they are saying that they will come up with eventually with a better version of the 3 steps so that we can use, and they are saying that they will do it as soon as possible. Some of the few tricks that I learned recently. So I found a website named as Pokefind.co. So if you have a Pokemon that's ready to evolve, for example I have a Rhyhorn, as you can see it was a 483 CP, so it was ready to evolve. So if you want to know after evolution how much CP it will be, you can go to that app, enter the name of your Pokemon, and then enter the CP of the Pokemon, and then you can see the minimum average CP that the Pokemon would have after the evolution. So that's my Rhyhorn. It's a 499 CP right now. So let's go and evolve this into a, I don't know what it gets evolved into. I hope that it goes above 1000, because it was already of 500 CP. To Pokédex, that it means that I didn't have that Pokemon before this. It's converted into 960 CP Rhyhorn. It's actually pretty good, not that good. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video that I'll be doing, and bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.